I'm Koshi for today's video. Samahan niyo kami dito sa Blessed Ivan Merz Reliquarium. And for the first time na narinig ko na meron palang ganitong chapel na kung saan nakalagay or nakadisplay yung mga iba't ibang relics ng mga saints. And almost 4,000 saints ang nandito sa kanilang chapel. So tara, pasok na tayo at pakinggan natin ang iba't ibang mga kwento.
So that's the 11 original ones, including St. Matthias. 12. Then on this side, of course, we have the image of Our Lady. This image of Our Lady is one of a kind. One of its kind here in the country. This is Our Lady Maria Bistricia. Our Lady of Maria Bistricia, rather. If tayo mga Pilipino, we have Our Lady of Antipolo. In Croatia, we have Our Lady of Maria Bistricia.
The black one?
Yes po. Diyan din ang kanilang annual pilgrimages, of which our patron, Blessed Ivan, took part during his lifetime.
At to see Blessed Ivan.
Sige, pwede mo tayo sa Sasha. Malapitan natin.
Ayo.
Then here, we have a very unique relic.
Ay, okay lang nasasama kita sa video.
This is the relic of the hair of Our Lady.
Our Lady.
Mary?
Mary.
Oh my
Buhok ni Mama
Oh
Mary.
my
Oh
God.
my God.
According to tradition, well, of course, we all know that Our Lady was assumed into heaven, body, and soul. But according to tradition, kinuha ng mga apostles, no, being devout Jews, yung kanyang veils, vestments, and from there, nakuha yung strands of hair. So, ito yun, yung dash, yung parang lines doon. Ex Capitis, Beata Maria Virginis.
Mama Mary.
I'll place it here para later. After our short tour, you can embrace her. You can pray to her. We also have here.
Ganun po ba yung pakiramdam? Parang tumatayo yung balahibo.
Kasi presence nila yan eh.
Here we have other relics of Our Lady, such as her veils.
Secondary yan.
Yes, second
Yung
class
mga
veils. Then here we have the relic sword of Saint Michael. We all know that Saint Michael appeared in Monte Gargano in Italy, just a bus trip up of San Giovanni Rotondo where St. Padre Pio lived. This isn't really a sword which he held by his hand, of course, because angels are pure spirits,
Spirit
right?
kasi sila.
But this is a sign and a symbol of his protection. Then here we have relics of Saint Joseph.
Saint Joseph.
Both relics are ex palio or from his cloak. Then we have relics of Dominican saints, if I'm not mistaken. These are Vincent Ferrer, Pius V, Louis Bertrand. Catherine of Siena, I think, is also included there. Then here we have relics of Franciscan saints. This reliquary of Franciscan saints is very special because we have here a column of flagellation, scourging at the pillar, veil of Our Lady, cloak of Saint Joseph. There's also Saints Peter and Paul. There's Saint Francis. Also a soldier during the First World War. Blessed Ivan Merz, during his lifetime in Croatia, taught a lot of its future priests, future bishops. Time in Croatia taught a lot of its future priests, future bishops, including him, Blessed Aloysius Stepinac, who later became a cardinal for his defense of Christianity, morality, during a rise in socialism. Po sa kanyang bone. Then here, Franciscan saints din ata ito. Stole from where Saint Michael appeared sa Monte Gargano. We have here a gauze, a piece of gauze used by Saint Padre Pio, then Saint Dominic de Guzman, because majority of us here in the Reliquarium are members of the late Dominicans. Then here, of course, St. John of the Cross, Jubilee rin niya ngayon, 500 years of, I think, his declaration as a doctor of the church. Then Mother Teresa. Then, of course, yes po. Then, ang bago nating saint, si St. Carlo.
St. Carlo. Ay, oo, si St. Carlo Acutis.
By Pope John Paul II and called him the Apostle of the Youth. Apostle of the Youth. Apostle of the Youth.
Parang sa ano namin, Paris, si St. Lodovico.
Then here we have his thumb. Yan ang kanyang thumb. Then, I think siya palang ata yung kilala nating saint na may calling card. Dahil siya ay isang professor. No? Then, his prayer card of Saint Therese of the Child Jesus. Kasi she is really the
Prayer
prophet.
no.
Eh po, may mga bagong relic na ano. Ay, galing sa Amerika. Yung Charlie ko. For example, si John of the Cross. We also have St. Francis of Assisi, 800th death anniversary. Then, I think, 300th birth anniversary of St. Gerard Mayella. Siya yung kilala sa Redemptorists as intercessor for pregnant. And the second is the shroud to cover the entire body. Then, the shroud of Oviedo to wrap it all up. So, ito yung veil of Manopelo. Ito talaga yung pagkadilat ni Jesus. Yan yung kaya na-imprint yung face.
Yung face.
That's why it's also called the image of the resurrection. These relics, we have the Passion relics. Of course, here we have what we call the Arma Christi.
Ayaw nga. Hindi ka kasama man. Mawi.
Kasi yan po yung relic ng flagellation, relic ng crown of thorns. Then Inri, and then yung stone from the agony in the garden. So, mga bagong dating yan, yung mga nakalabas, kung mapapasin, hindi nakalagay sa reliquary, hindi nakalagay sa frame, kasi wala na sa mga yan. So, kalat-kalat ito. St. Bernadette. Yung manger ni Jesus andito. St. Jude, St. Ezekiel Moreno, St. John the 23rd, Maria Goretti, St. Bernadette, St. Jose Maria Escriva andito.
Maria Escriva.
Opo, ang kanyang bowl. Yung successor niya, si Blessed Alvaro. Ayan, sila nandito. Jude Tadeus, andyan din.
And if you also want to see and witness the miracles, you can also find them at Marikina City. Amazed and blessed to witness the different relics of the saints, especially those of Blessed Mary and Saint Joseph. A moment of faith, reflection, and grace. Sobrang thank you, Lord, for a beautiful and meaningful birthday filled with love, blessing, and gratitude.